নমস্কাৰ আমাৰ চেনেল কম্পিটিটিভ বিক্সলৈ আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আমি লাষ্ট কেইটামান ভিডিঅ'ৰ পৰা গুৱাহাটী হাইকোৰ্ট স্পেচিফিক কিছু মেটেৰিয়েলছ আপোনালোকৰ বাবে আগবঢ়াই আহিছোঁ। ইতিমধ্যে আমি তিনিখনকৈ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ সলভ কৰি প্ৰিভিয়াছ ইয়াৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ আপোনালোকৰ বাবে আগবঢ়াইছোঁ। এইটো ভিডিঅ'টো আমি তেনেকুৱা এখন কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ জানুৱাৰী 2019 অনুষ্ঠিত হোৱা এটা এক্সামিনেশ্যন GLDA কপিষ্ট টাইপিষ্টৰ ৰিক্ৰুইটমেণ্টৰ বাবে অনুষ্ঠিত হৈছিল অলমষ্ট অল ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট কোৰ্টছ অফ আছাম। সেই এক্সামিনেশ্যনৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰখন আমি সলভ কৰিম। আপোনালোকে যদি আগৰ সলভ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰৰ ভিডিঅ'বোৰ চোৱা নাই লিংক দিয়া থাকিব ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যনত, চাই ল'ব পাৰে। আৰু লগতে আমি এটা এক্সাম ষ্ট্ৰেটেজি প্ৰিভিয়াছ ইয়াৰ কাট অফ আদি বিভিন্ন টপিক ডিছকাছ কৰি আন এটা ভিডিঅ' আমি আপলোড কৰিছিলোঁ, সেইটো আপোনালোকে চাই ল'ব পাৰে, লিংক ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যনত সেইটো আমি দি দিম। আপোনালোকে অকল এইকেইখন পেপাৰ সলভ পেপাৰ যে চাব লাগিব তেনেকুৱা নহয়। গুৱাহাটী হাইকোৰ্টৰ ৱেবছাইটত গ'লে আপোনালোকে বিভিন্ন সলভ পেপাৰ তাত পাব। বিভিন্ন এক্সামিনেশ্যনৰ হৈ থাকে টাইমে গুৱাহাটী হাইকোৰ্টত, সেইবোৰ নিজে সলভ কৰি চাব আপোনালোকে। চ' পলম নকৰোঁ, লেটছ গেট ষ্টাৰ্টেড। চ' এইটো এক্সামিনেশ্যন অনুষ্ঠিত হৈছিল 2019 27 জানুৱাৰী আৰু মাৰ্ক টোটেল মাৰ্কছ হ'ল 120 ইয়াত 20 মাৰ্ক অসমীয়া। চ' জেনেৰেল ইংলিছ ছেকশ্যন ফাৰ্ষ্ট হৈছিলে। ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যন হ'ল উইচ আই ডেছ এ কিং, আনচাৰ হ'ব উইচ আই ৱেড এ কিং। নেক্সট পংকজ নোজ এইটো হাউ টু চুইম হ'ব এ। When I saw him, he touched a TV. He was watching a TV, answer হ'ব D. He saw me by chance and dashed the car and stopped the car. Answer number B. Number 5. Had you studied hard, you dash passed. Answer B or B. You would have passed. Had you studied hard, you would have passed. Choose the correctly spelled word. So yat eta word ore sarita beleg spelling dia ase. Yat shuddha spelling to apnaloke bachi uliabo lage. So first to hobo B, surveillance, double L thokat hobo. Next strategism yat hobo apnalokor B, strategism. Next recommendation, easy, recommendation hobo B. Next number 9, lackadaisical yat apnalokor hobo C. Number 10 itu hobo C, etiquette. So number 11 or pora question 20 lo eta passage asil, passage to pora question hoisil. To passage to study gola asil, eto apnaloke pause kori video to pause kori passage to pori lobo ebar. So question 11 lo aisu passage to logot related question. What is the meaning of chaos? Answer hobo mayhem, confusion, disarray, tinta hobo orthat D, all of the above. What is the meaning of maelstrom? Answer hobo A, turbulence. What is trombone? So it will answer over 13 or answer over C, a musical instrument. C. Number 14. What is the meaning of incarnate? Incarnate means embodied in human form. Answer over A. 15. What do you understand by the word spectacle? Spectacle means A, exhibition. What the author thinks regarding preservation of rights of small and quiet people? The answer is C. It can be preserved like small nationalities. Choose the most appropriate word from the passage, which means to walk on somebody or something and damage or hurt him or it. Answer C, trample. Through the passage, what the author desired to communicate to the readers. Answer was C, all must respect the rights of other people. Question 19, A to passage to logo related. From what, according to the author, one can assess whether we have become civilized or not. Answer A, small matters of conduct in the adherence of the rule or the road. What is hog? Answer C, a male pig kept for its meat. Next is choose the correct one word substitution is here. The home of a lion. Home of a lion then. Next is a number of parrots. Flock and company. Duita hoy, the answer hobo D, both A and C. A number of leopards, a leap of leopards will go on. Answer over A, leap. A number of owl, the parliament of owl. A place where documents or records are kept. So for archives. A place where alcoholic liquor is produced. Answer B, distillery. Brewery means so beer produced kara hoy, where beer is produced commercially. It will become brewery. The difference to one of the alcoholic liquor produced karile distillery hobo. A residence of nuns, to convent. C. Anything related to the brain of human. Brain of human cerebral. Cardiac something related to the heart. Thyroid related to the skin. আর renal হলে related to the kidneys. Next, to pull strings, choose the correct meaning of the following. এটা phrases and idioms দেয়া আছে, ইয়াৰ correct meaning to choose কৰি উলিয়াব লাগে. To pull strings, answer meaning হ'ব ইয়াৰ to exert influence. C, to hit below the belt, to be cruel or unfair. Answer A, to take over the reins, মানে to assume command. Answer হ'ব C. Next, to be in the red. Answer to be in debt. To see red, to get very angry. Answer will B. 34. To draw the line. Draw the line is to say the limit. Answer A. Choose the correct sentence. So 35 would say I told that the sari is beautiful. I said that the sari is beautiful. I narrated that the sari is beautiful. And I explained. Answer will B. I said that the sari is beautiful. C has never done to Australia. C has never been to Australia. Answer will B. She has never been to Australia. What is your good name? What is your name? What's your name? What's your good name? Answer will be what is your name? I have seen the film 2 times. I have seen the film twice. I saw the film 2 times. Both B and C. The answer will be I have seen the film twice. Have you seen my spectacle? Have you seen my spectacles? Answer will be have you seen my spectacles? S লাগিব plural form of থাকিব. Choose the correct antonyms. Antonyms অর্থাৎ বিপরীতার্থক শব্দ. Dense. Dense or antonym হ'ব sparse. Sparse মানে হ'ল scattered. যেনে আমি কওঁ areas of sparse population, য'ত population density কম থাকে, scatter হৈ থাকে, মানুহবোৰ দূৰে দূৰে থাকে. So dense or opposite হ'ব sparse. Keen. Keen মানে হ'ল highly developed বা sharp. So ইয়াত keenৰ opposite হ'ব C, dull. Pickle মানে changing frequently, যি সঘনাই চেঞ্জ হৈ থাকে. So ইয়াত opposite কি হ'ব আপোনালোকে নিশ্চয় ধৰিব পাৰিছে, opposite হ'ব A, constant. Faithfulৰ opposite হ'ব treacherous. Treacherous মানে হ'ল involving betrayal or deception, যি আমি কওঁ ধোকা দিয়া বা গাদ্দাৰি কৰা বুলি কওঁ, সেইবোৰ treacherous. Hopeৰ antonym হ'ব despair. Despair মানে হ'ল complete loss of hope. Choose the correct sentences. The audiences of the game, the spectators of the game. Answer about spectators of the game. Good night, sir. Have a seat. Good evening, sir. Have a seat. Answer about B. Good evening, sir. Have a seat. I took insult at his words. I took offense at his words. If answer about B. I took offense at his words. Next, 48 number. Put down your sign here. Put down your signature here. Signature over. Put down your signature here. Answer about B. Many a little boys came, many a little boy came, many a little boy came. So answer hobo B. I went to my house, I went to my home, I went to my home hobo. Answer however B hobo. Next time is general knowledge section. General knowledge including computer knowledge. Which one of the following is the second longest railway road bridge in Asia? Answer hobo B. Answer hobo A. Bogeyville Bridge. Bogeyville Bridge is Dhemaji and Dibrugarh district connect করে অসমত. আৰু বগীবিল ব্ৰিজৰ লেংথ হ'ল 4.94 অৰ্থাৎ almost 5 kilometers. Next, who is the present governor of Reserve Bank of India? Governor হ'ল D. Mr. Shaktikanto Das. 53. Kamakhya temple is situated on Nilachal Pahad, but where is the Umananda temple situated? Answer to B. Bhasmasal Pahad. 54. Who sowed the seeds of Sufism in Assam? Sufism কোনে introduce কৰিছিল? Answer হ'ব A. Hazrat Samgan. বা যাক আমি আজানগির বলিও জানো. In banking transactions, what does NEFT mean? NEFT full form হল National Electronic Fund Transfer. In banking transactions, what does RTGS mean? RTGS or full form real time gross settlement. We can answer about A. RTGS to 1-to-1 বেসিছত কৰা হয়. RTGS to faster হয় NEFT কৈ, আৰু NEFT transaction সমূহ কিছুমান বেটছত কমপ্লিট কৰা হয়, 1-to-1 বেসিছত নহয়, সেইকাৰণে এইবোৰ কিছু পৰিমাণে শ্লোৱাৰ হয় RTGS-তকৈ. আৰু RTGS-ৰ মিনিমাম লিমিট হ'ল 2 lakhs ট্ৰানজেকশ্যনৰ মিনিমাম লিমিট, আৰু NEFT-ত তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কোনো মিনিমাম লিমিট নাই, গতিকে স্মলাৰ ভেলু ট্ৰানজেকশ্যনৰ বাবে নৰ্মেলি NEFT ইউজ কৰা হয়. Who is the present Law Minister of India? Present Law Minister Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. 58. What is regarded as the universal solvent? Easy question. Universal solvent water. Which of the following does not spoil? Answer was C. Honey. Which of the following is the fastest mammal on land? Answer C. Cheetah. What is the normal blood pressure in human body? 120/80. What is leukemia? A disease relating to blood. Who amongst the following is a winner of Arjuna Award in 2015? সেই সময়ৰ current affairs question আছিল তো এতিয়া এইবোৰ question ইমান important নহয়. Answer হ'ল C. Hima Das. Kalaripayattu is a traditional martial art of which state of India? Answer C. Kerala. Where the famous stadium Eden Gardens is located? To cricket যোনসকলে চাই সকলোৱে নিশ্চয় জানে. Answer B. Kolkata. Archery is an indigenous sport of? Answer B. Meghalaya. Who amongst the following is the title holder of International Grandmaster? Answer A. Tanya Sachdev. Tanya Sachdev is a chess player, and International Women Grandmaster title holder. Who amongst the following players was recently arrested for illegal boxing? It is current affairs question. It is important. Answer A. Who amongst the following Dada Saheb Phalke Award winner filmmakers died recently? For the current affairs question. Answer C. Village Rockstars is. Village Rockstars naam kole hunise nishchoy. Answer B. An Assamese movie. A network of computers and other devices that is confined to a relatively small space is called? 71 or answer B. Local area network, LAN. Every computer connected to the internet is identified by a unique 4-part string known as? Answer A. IP address. USB is a device used to store data and it stands for? Just a common question I hate it. Answer C. Universal Serial Bus. 74. Open source software is software whose source code is available for modification or enhancement by anyone. Which of the following is an example of open source software? LibreOffice. A URL is a formatted text string used by web browsers, email clients, and other software to identify network resource on the internet. It stands for? Another common question. Uniform Resource Locator. Answer B. Next, 76. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Answer A. Zip files are compressed files. In Windows operating system, when you delete a file or folder, it does not actually get deleted right away. It goes to the recycle bin. Last question. How can you tell which printers are installed on a computer? So answer here would be go to start, settings, control panel, printers, which can be used for quick access to commonly used commands and tools. Answer B. Toolbar. So আমি এইটো ভিডিওটো আগৰ ভিডিওবোৰৰ দৰে জেনাৰেল এপ্টিটিউড সেকশন খিনি ডিসকাস নকৰো যোনখিনি জেনাৰেল ম্যাথমেটিক্স আৰু ৰিজনিং আছিল 20 মাৰ্কস এইখিনি হেতু পাৰ্টৰ বাবে আমি এক্সট্ৰা ভিডিও লৈ আহিম আপোনালোকৰ বাবে হয়তো নেক্সট সপ্তাহত বা নেক্সট কেইদিনমানৰ ভিতৰত তেনেকুৱা ভিডিও লৈ আহিম জেনাৰেল এপ্টিটিউড সেকশনৰ এইটো ভিডিওত ইমানেই আছিল আপোনালোকে যদি আগৰ কোৱেশ্চন সলভ কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰসমূহ চোৱা নাই বা প্ৰিপাৰেচন ষ্ট্ৰেটেজিৰ ভিডিওটো চোৱা নাই লিংক ডেসক্ৰিপশনত দিয়া থাকিব গোটেই কিতাপ বা প্লেলিষ্ট সেপাৰেটলি বনোৱা আছে গুৱাহাটী হাইকোৰ্ট বুলি আপোনালোকে তাত চাই ল'ব পাৰে ভিডিও কেইটা। সো আজিলৈ ইমানেই আছিল ধন্যবাদ।